I work on an insights team who partners with our sales teams who are going to sell media to clients. There's only about 7 people, but the larger insights organization is over 100. While I work primarily in the marketing business, we're bringing in a lot more of the sales data, whether it's sales of our clients in general or data from LinkedIn's tool, Sales Navigator. The different business lines teams can be a bit siloed. Alation enables us to, in particular, help out in the area of this sales and marketing alignment idea. It's been key to be able to see what folks on that side are doing and how they're doing it, and the best way to sort of approach this data and bring it all together ultimately. Data sits in a variety of different sources, different data warehouses that all have different purposes, whether it's to power our tools or whether it's for sort of ad hoc analyses. There is sort of a huge hurdle of getting to know LinkedIn's data sets, how things work, and really just familiarizing myself with how these processes work. Alation was a huge help in that respect, just by allowing me to see work that others had been done and build upon it and learn from it. Depending on the type of data, it might sit in either Teradata or Presto or Hadoop file system, for example. In order to sort of make sense of it, you have to know first where to look in terms of the database, then where to look in terms of the schema within that, and then the table within that, and then even going beyond that, the columns and rows itself. Alation enabled me to get familiar very quickly and kind of dig in to see what's been done on these tables, what are the most common, what are sort of the caveats and things to keep in mind when using these data sets to make sure that everything's accurate. Alation has had the ability to sort of take many different disparate systems and bring them all into one tool under Alation. That's allowed us to just increase efficiencies in general and take processes that may have previously been hours long and compress them into only a few minutes. Biggest parts of that are just the collaboration aspect, allowing us to scale these scripts and these queries across the org, whether it's up into my immediate team or across global regions or even into different business lines, that being LinkedIn's learning, talent, and sales solutions businesses. It's extremely important to have one tool that kind of looks across all these different data sources. It just simplifies things so much.